Well, hello. Hope you're doing well today. I thought that today we would work on Three Little Birds, and we're going to play this slowly so you get the strum pattern. It's three easy chords throughout the whole song. So we're going to start with an A that looks like this. 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. So you know how to play your A chord. Then a D chord, which you know how to play a D. And make sure you don't strum the top two strings, the E and the A. You want to play these four. And then your E major chord. And you can actually strum all 6 strings for this one to make it nice and full. To keep it simple, I'm going to play the song slowly, and we're going to have a little strum pattern like this, just down and up. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, let's try the strum pattern. And what I'd like for you to do, if you need to just do single strums, that's fine. And just get familiar with changing your chords from the A to the D, back to the A. So here we go, nice and slow. And if you need to stop and then pick up again, that's fine too. Like I said, we're just going to keep this simple. Here we go. So intro, we're just going to stay on the A. Got it? Here we go. Don't worry about a thing. We're going to switch to the D here. Every little So I hope that was a good tempo for you. Take your time. I kept it nice and simple. It usually has a pretty quick reggae beat. But for now, let's get the coordination of the strumming and the changing of chords. And we'll play this during your lesson time. And I'd love to hear you play along. See you soon. Bye.